Okay, start natin yung for number 4. A uniform steel ring, 600 millimeter in diameter, has a mass of M1. So, ano yung M1 natin? 51 tsaka 709. So, 709 Cl4. Tapos, meron tayong mass na 51, no? Times 9.81. Siyempre, kapag kukunin nyo yung weight, no? I-multiply mo ng 9.81. So, that is equal to 9.81 times 51. So, that is equal to 500.31 newtons. Okay? O, ngayon, free body diagram, no? Huwag kakalimutan. So, this is tension AD, no? Point D. Lagay natin to point D. AD. Tension AD. Tension BD. And then si tension CD. Okay? Ngayon, kapag ganito, lalagay ko agad yung coordinates. No? So, si D, ano yung coordinates ni D? So, that is 0, 0. Ito, ano yung height niya dito? Hindi natin alam. Pero alam natin na ito ay galing sa, ang sabi kasi dyan ay, so that is 300, tapos ito 709. No? So, ang sabi dyan, a uniform steel ring, 600 millimeter diameter, has a mass of M1 and is lifted by 3 cables, each L4 length. So, ibig sabihin, yung length daw nito, yung length ng cable is 709, tapos ito 709, 709 din. So, ngayon, masasolve natin si Z. So, what's the value of C? Pythagorean theorem, that is equal to the 709 squared minus 300 squared. So, Z is equal to square root of 709 squared minus 300 squared. So, that is equal to 642.403. Store na lang natin sa A. No? Store ko yan sa A. Ngayon, kukuha natin yung component. So, ibig sabihin, ito 0, 0, Z. No? Okay na yan. Ngayon, ito si A. Ano yung component ni A? Ano yung distance? So, that is 300. Yung Y, 0. Kasi ito 90 daw yan. No? So, ibig sabihin 0. Z, 0. Si B, ang coordinate niya, 0, 300, no? So, kasi di ba ang distance niya simula sa origin is yung radius, which is 300. Ang Z mo is 0. Si C, that is equal to, no? So, kung makikita nyo, no, that is 120. Ibig sabihin, this is 30. So, nasa likod siya ni X, tsaka nasa likod din ni Y. So, ibig sabihin, ang X natin is negative 300 sine cosine. No, yung X yung titignan natin, ito siya. So, ito si 30. So, ibig sabihin, this is 30. So, that is cosine of 30. Okay, i-move natin. Very light lang. Okay, cosine of 30. And then, ang y mo is negative. Or kung gusto nyo, mas maganda ganito, no? That is 90 plus 120, no? So, i-cosine mo yon. Pero wag na. Negative 300 kasi ito 30 yan, no? 30. Pwede rin naman yun. Negative 300 sine of 30. Then 0. Ngayon, itatabulate natin. Tama? Ay, Barbie. Tabulate natin. So, we have the tension. This is TAB, TAD, TBD, TCD. Okay? So, ano yung mga X natin? X, Y, Z. Tapos yung D. So, si X. So, di ba ang X natin head minus tail. So 0 minus 300. So negative 300. TBD, that is equal to 0. Head minus tail, so that is 0. And then Z. So, di ba si Z, store naman natin yan. So, okay na yan, kahit wag mo na isulat. Naka-store naman yan sa A. Saan, naka-store ba yan sa A? Tama ba? Tama na sa A. Ayan, and then Y is 0 minus 300, negative 300. And then Z. And then TCD, that is 0 minus 10, that is 300. Cosine of 30. Y is 300. Sine of 30. And then Z. O yung diagonal, no? Pythagorean theorem lang. Pero kung titignan mo, di ba yung diagonal is the length ng cable, no? So, kahit hindi mo na siya isolve, pero kung gusto mo i-solve, solve pa rin natin. So, that is negative 300 squared, 300 squared plus alpha a squared. So, that is equal to 709. So, this is 709. So, 709. Yung iba pinagbaliktad nila na. So, yung ginamit nilang L4 is yung height. Hindi yung ano, napagbaliktad nila to. So, mali yun. Ngayon, summation lang ng forces vertical. Okay, summation ng forces along X is equal to 0. Ano yung forces along X? Nandiyan dyan si TAD. That is equal to negative 300 over 709 plus TBD. That is equal to 0 plus TCD component 300 over 300 cosine of 30 over 709 equals to 0. Next, summation ng forces along Y is equal to 0. That is equal to TAD times, ito yung Y natin, 0, plus TBD times negative 300 over 709 plus TCD 300 sine 30 over 709 equals to 0. Okay? Next, summation ng forces along Z. Forces along Z. So, si Z over D. So, that is TAD. That is equal to Z over 709 plus TBD times Z over 709. Again, plus TCD times Z over 709. Minus 500.31 equals to 0. So, ngayon magkakaroon ka na 3 equations, 3 unknown. So, masasolve mo si TAD, TBD, and then si TCD. So, ngayon i-input nyo lang yan sa mode 5, 1. Eto, mode 5, 2. So, that is negative 300 over 709. 0. 300 cosine of 30 divided 709. And then 0. And then 0. Negative 300 over 709. Then 300 sine of 30 divided by 709. Then 0. And then Z. Di ba nakastart tayo sa A divided by 709. Ganun din, alpha A divided by 709. Alpha A divided by 709. And then, transpose natin yung weight. So, 500.31. So, the answer is equal to 202.111. 116.689 Newton or 233.377 Newton. So this is the final answer. So 20, 10, 20, 10, 10, so 30, 40 minutes na. So last problem pag 50 minutes. Okay.